We do a lot of date nights here at the classroom, and date nights are my favorite night. I love working with the kids too, but over the past few years, I think that date nights have become probably my favorite night that we have at the classroom. And maybe it's because of the spot I'm in with my marriage. My marriage is in a really good spot. We've worked really hard the past few years to love each other, to make our relationship and our communication better, and it's been worth it. It's been worth it so much. But I started thinking a lot about my daughters. With 4 daughters, I think there's a lot that could happen between now and when they get married. And I hope they all get married. I hope there's I pray every day for the 4 men that God is raising up to marry my daughters. And so with that, I just think for you out there, if you're gonna be on date night, you got kids, you got daughters, to think about things. And one of the things that I had this quote, this thought that I'm trying to remember where it was, where I first heard it, but so here's a great thought. Your wife. Love your wife so much that it makes her beautiful. That's what I've been trying to do. I've been trying to love my wife just so much, just love her every day, so much that it makes her beautiful. If you're not doing that, maybe you should think about it. If you make your wife live in fear, you are no man at all. We're supposed to provide, our job is to provide a safe place. And a strong man provides a safe place for his wife, emotionally safe, physically safe. Because, a wife, she is to love and to cherish. And I'm praying every day that, God, that you're raising up 4 daughters, 4 my girls. 4 great men for my 4 daughters. And I pray that each and every day, that those men, they love and cherish my daughter, their wives to be, and that they love her so much that there's nothing left for her than just shine and be beautiful. And so that's today. Come do a date night with us sometime. We'd love to have you and love to cook with you and share some ways for your marriage to get to a great spot.